close to my heart, close as can be. I want you, darling, you belong to me. Close to your heart, you're my design. Say that you love me and will always be mine. Those lips of yours that gave the kiss I stole made me a slave to you and through my very soul. Close to my heart, yours to command. Just say the words, dear,